Hi guys, sitting in the car, Nanny's visiting her friend, so I'm going to sit here and put together this frog. Shouldn't take many minutes. I'm filming this with my GoPro Hero 7 Black because I was just using it to film something else, so it's on the tripod, the mini tripod. So might as well make use of it. Right. Can we figure out which way's which? That's that one. That's that one. Number one goes through the middle of here. Try and catch the pieces on there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.